Situation involving a coach possibly sending inappropriate text messages. Joining us as always for the Law and You, attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ceramboli. Guys, good to see you today.
Dave, is winter ever going to be over?
You've got a couple more weeks yet. Hang in there, though. It's going to get warmer, but in the meantime, we've got to talk about this legal situation, and this is kind of scary here. My daughter's high school coach has been sending her inappropriate text message. We are very concerned, but don't want the coach to retaliate against her. What can we do? This is from Catherine.
Catherine, as we all know, this has been these issues have been in the news recently, locally, a lot. Get on this immediately. Call the superintendent. Call the principal. The last thing you got to be worried about is retaliation at this point, because you got to make sure that your daughter's protected. She should not be subjected to this, by this coach or any teacher or anybody that's in a position of authority, in the school district. So you got to get to the top person, the principal, the superintendent. Make sure they know what's going on. Give them the text messages. This has to stop today.
Yeah, and I look at it a little differently than Ed. I think you should notify local law enforcement right off the bat.
Yeah.
The county detectives handle this. Your local state police or local law enforcement, because this stuff is just flat out outrageous and is not acceptable. It's against the law. We've seen teachers and coaches paraded in and out of court hearings in handcuffs because of the stuff they've been doing. It's unacceptable. You need to protect your daughter and make those phone calls today.
All right, no doubt a scary situation here for this teenager. And if you find yourself in a legal situation you need help with, how can our viewers get in touch with you?
They can call us at 570-714-HURT. See us on the web at 714hurt.com.
And Catherine or anybody else that's having a situation like this, go to our Facebook page. If you have a question, put it on our page and give us, you don't have to give us all the details. We'll give you the information for the DA's office. We'll give you the information for your school district so that you can make the appropriate calls so that this stops immediately and your kid doesn't have to be a victim of this.
All right, some great advice from award-winning attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ceramboli. Guys, thanks so much. Have a good weekend. We'll see you Monday.
Okay, you too. Thank you.
All right, to get your question featured on the Law and You, it's PAHomepage.com or give us a call on the hotline.